Hello everyone. So let us continue the atom chapter. So in this session we'll study about energy levels of hydrogen atom. So before studying this, let us have the revision of last session, whatever we studied. In the last session we have derived the expression for total energy of an electron in an orbit of hydrogen atom. So we got the expression for total energy, that is En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt. So now this is what the expression for the total energy by substituting all the constants. So the total energy is negative. The negative sign signifies that the electron is bound to the nucleus. So we'll have the bound system between the electron and the nucleus. Also we derived the expression for frequency. The frequency is given by the expression. So I'll give the general one. So mu n, we got one note point there, that is inversely proportional to the cube of the principal quantum number. So the frequency we determined, that is 6.57 into 10 to the power 5 revolutions per second. With this much of frequency, the electron is revolving in its orbit, so that is for n equal to 1. So this is what we studied in the last session. So in this session, let us study about the energy levels of hydrogen atom. Also the energy level diagram. So the energy of hydrogen atom in nth orbit, so that is given by n is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt. So now let us take some of the cases here. Let us take the first case by considering n is equal to 1. So therefore the meaning of this is said to be the electron is revolving in the innermost orbit. So nothing but an orbit which is closest to the nucleus. The energy for this is said to be, that is, now let us write E1, so that is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. So now this energy is said to be the lowest energy of hydrogen atom. When the hydrogen atom has lowest energy, so the atom is said to be in the ground state. So now understand the meaning of ground state. Ground state. So I'll repeat, when we can say that the atom is said to be in its ground state. When the hydrogen atom has its lowest energy, so that lowest energy corresponds to its ground state. So now that is for n equal to 1. So by taking n equal to 1, we'll get the lowest energy. So nothing but we get the value of the ground state energy. So now similarly, if I consider the second case, that is n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 means, so I'll get the electron is revolving in the second orbit. The energy of the hydrogen atom for n equal to 2, so that is using the total energy expression, En is equal to minus 13.6. So now here n equal to 2, it means 4. So therefore the value of this is said to be minus 3.4 electron volt. So now observe this. So this is said to be the first excited state of the hydrogen atom. Similarly, let us consider for n equal to 3. So if I substitute n equal to 3, so that is here, that is E2 energy it is. So here E3 is equal to minus 13.6 divided by, it is now 9. So the value comes out to be for E3, that is equal to minus 1.51 electron volt. So when n equal to 3, so this is said to be the second excited state energy of the hydrogen atom. So similarly, when I substitute the value of n equal to infinity, so at that time E infinity goes to 0. So if n equal to infinity, so the value of energy goes to 0. So this is said to be the highest energy state of the hydrogen atom. So when n equal to infinity. So what's the meaning of this? The electron is completely free from the attractive force, or you can say that it is out of its boundless state. So in other words, the electron is no longer bound to the nucleus and it becomes a free electron. So it is out of the attractive system, or we can say that it is out of the bound system. Now it is said to be a free electron when n equal to infinity. So when we substitute n equal to infinity, so that energy is said to be the highest energy state of the hydrogen atom. So now we'll study the energy of hydrogen atom in different states, or you can say that the levels. So they are represented by horizontal lines. A diagram representing the energy of different states of hydrogen atom is known as energy level diagram. So let us have the diagram in the next slide. So now also the slide here. So now the ground state, so that is for n equal to 1. So as I mentioned, the meaning of ground state is when the hydrogen atom has its lowest energy, so that is for n equal to 1. So that state is said to be the ground state. The value corresponds to this is minus 13.6 electron volt. So this diagram is said to be the energy level diagram. So the meaning of this is said to be a diagram representing the energy of different states of hydrogen atom. So now for the excited state, like n equal to 2, the first excited state, n equal to 3, the second excited state, and so on up to infinity. So see the corresponding energy value. So from this energy level diagram, it is clear that when the principal quantum number, so that is n, increases, the energy levels or the energy states, so they will become closer and closer, because the energy difference between the successive energy levels goes on decreases. It will goes on decreases with the increase in the value of the principal quantum number. So you can observe in the energy level diagram. So as the n goes on increases, the energy levels, they will become closer and closer. So it means what? The energy difference between the successive energy levels, it will decreases. So along with the increase in the principal quantum number. So this is about the energy level diagram, also the energy levels of hydrogen atom. So continue in the next video. Thank you.